Grammy Award-winning producer, record executive and business mogul DJ Khaled is making runs in Jamaica and promises a special album. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
God did, Drake did.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. International superstar DJ Khaled has been connected with veteran acts with some of the biggest names in dancehall and reggae music, including Buju Banton, Capleton, Sizzla and Bounty Killer, as well as fast-rising dancehall DJ Skilly Bang, which has the music industry predicting a monumental album in the making. Buju Banton, Capleton and Bounty Killer were featured on DJ Khaled's single Where You Come From, which also featured Barrington Levy, which was on the 12th album Khaled, which was released last year. While DJ Khaled is hopeful about the Jamaican entertainers he's working with or will potentially feature on the album, the production appears to be top secret, as he makes certain no audio from the studio session is shared on his post online. He has revealed, however, that the album cover shoot has already been done locally, which comes as no surprise since he has stated that Jamaica is like his second home. DJ Khaled repeatedly promised that the album will be very special. During a recent tour around Kingston, DJ Khaled was caught up at the Queer store under the supervision of Sharon Burke, who repeatedly stated to some sentiments that the album is special. Just wait until the album is released, said the music executive and artist manager. DJ Khaled was officially honored with the 2719 star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in April. Burke produced a solid relationship with DJ Khaled since the early 90s, when both of them were laying the foundation for their brands.
They want to finish you. They want you broke. They want you miserable. They want you unhappy. They don't believe in us. God did. All right, now check this out. Album mode, studios booked, chef on deck, kids happy. Honey, go get some more Birkins or whatever you want. Get the view. I'm making some anthems. Vocals is coming in. Album's coming in crazy. When is it coming? Don't worry about that. We'll worry about a date later. But let me describe the album. There's so many anthems coming upon your head top. Head top gone. Like who wanna pop off the head, get popped off like head top view.
Their relationship has evolved into a friendship that has been equally beneficial to their growth and has made her proud not only as a partner for the special project but as a friend. Right now we're about to bring you over to some special highlights while Khaled is on business in Jamaica.
Look at God. Look at God. Look at God. Look at God. Come on, look at God. God is great. The holy mountain. Holy ground. Look at God. Look at God. Look at God. Wow. I have not slept, Van Love. I have not slept. I've been working in the studio. I've been going. Nobody work harder than me because they not me. Wow. Look at that jerk chicken. Look at them lobsters. Look at that oxtail. Look at that broccoli. What else we got? Man, what's this, potatoes?
Yes, sir. That's some rice and beef right there.
Man.
That's some grilled veggies.
Man.
Lovely salad.
I just ate and I just came back to more food. Wow. Jimmy, you live a life. You know that, right? You live a life.
Oh, baby.
Nobody lives a life like Chris Moses. Nobody.
Oh, man.
We're the only ones that go out and work, and Chris Moses is just chilling, living on vacation.
Yeah.
I never seen nothing like it in my life.
No, it's unbelievable.
Nah.
Unbelievable.
What they got for dessert? They ain't believing us.
God did.
Hard. It breaks my heart. They ain't believing me. Walla did.
God did.
Bounty Killer did.
We did.
Jamaica did. Day one right here. This day one. Like day one.
Brothers from other mothers.
For life. Jamaica, nothing but love. Bless up all the beautiful, beautiful people in Jamaica. Love. Ain't believing us. God did.
Check it out. Sister Kalonji, DJ Khaled.
They ain't believing us.
It's phenomenal.
Sizzler did. Chai did. Big up the beautiful people in August Town. Judgment Yard. Trying to get the whole, you know, if you make it through these gates, it's so beautiful for the kids, the community. So much love here. Every time I come to Jamaica, I always come to Judgment Yard. I always come to August Town. Big up always blessing the youth. You know what I mean? Respect.
Anytime.
Always. Love.
Thank you.
They ain't believing us.
God did.
God did. You see that Usain Bolt? Kingston, what up? God did. Jamaica did. Hussein did. What'd you say? Yeah, Butcher said. Butcher. What you say? What you say?
Butcher Bantam, my general, born in one team. Hear them?
Gaga man.
One Gaga man.
Bless up the beautiful people in Jamaica, you know what I mean? My mommy
Chin. Tell Chin must pass up.
love. Kingston, Tivoli Gardens. Legendary spot. Bless up all the beautiful people in Jamaica. Bless up all the beautiful people in Jamaica. Kingston love. Yo,
Fireman in the building.
fireman. Yo, listen.
Alarm sound.
Yo, listen. The fire. Yo. Listen. Fireman just got out the studio and burned the whole place down. More fire. I can't make this up if I wanted to.
Hey, more fire.
You know what I mean? Yo, they ain't believe in us. Stapleton did.
They don't believe in us, Jah did. They don't believe in us, Jah did. They don't believe in us, Jah did. They don't believe in us, Jah did.
They don't believe in us, Jah did.
They don't believe in us,
Jah did. Behind the scenes, we about to shoot my album cover and my album packaging. Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, Amazon, all DSPs, YouTube. We got some new pictures coming for you real soon. As soon as I get my cover locked in. They ain't believe in us. Jamaica did. They ain't believe in us. Jamaica did. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right. Is the hole right there? Where? Go around? Right here? Step right here. It's so real out here. This shot right here, look. I gotta get my outfit on. For sure. We're getting that cover shot and album. They ain't believe in us.
God did.
Shout out to Skilly and Billy. You know what I mean? You want to eat some good Jamaican food? All type of food, you know what I'm saying? Skilly and Billy. We got an album or we up to something special. Don't want to give you too much info, but you know how we do it. Bless up Jamaica, you know what I mean?
Just want to say Edge.
East side.
Gilliam.
Oh.
Daddy stand.
They ain't believing us. God did. They ain't believing us. God did. God did. God did.
Now we only plays the food. Look at it.
No, I'm good at soccer. Real good. Real good. I'm real good, but I'm Palestinian, remember?
Let me see what you got.
I do it all. All right. Got something.
I got the breath already, you blood clot.
It breaks my heart. They didn't believe in us. God did. God did. God did.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.